Good morning, family. This is Jonathan Wynne with another edition of Take Charge of Your Life. We're continuing our series on creative problem solving. We're looking at the design thinking process. It's a very useful tool. We talked about empathy, looking at a problem from everyone's perspective. We talked about ideating or brainstorming to come up with many ideas to solve the problem. We talked about prototyping, where you actually select a strategy and develop it. We talked about testing, is where you're going to implement that strategy. And one of the most important things, the final one that we'll talk about in our series, is evaluating what has occurred. You have to be willing to evaluate what has happened with your great idea, that you spent time listening to others and coming up with ideas and selecting one and designing it, and then you're going to implement it. But you have to evaluate how things have turned out. Don't be afraid of the results, because they can only lead you to more solutions, and it'll get you closer to where you really want to be. Well, hope you've been helped by this. This is Jonathan Wynne, encouraging you, take charge of your life.